Welcome to the National Institute of Technology Malang, a multicultural institute which created human resources and professional graduates in the development of science, applied technology, and the superior arts. ITN Malang became a place where adaptation, innovation, and technology gather in harmony. We're proud to be an adaptive educational institution. We're ready to overcome the change by continuing to innovate. We believe that progress will be able to achieve through progressive change. With the spirit of innovation, and we're ready to present a brighter future through high-quality education. The National Engineering Academy Malang was established in 1969 and developed in 1981. Then became the National Institute of Technology, or named by ITN Malang, in 1983. Continuously, in 2015, ITN Malang received accredited status from Ban PT with Grade B and ISO certificate in 2016. This multicultural campus has two buildings. The first campus in ITN 1, covering 4 hectares, located in Bendungan Sigura-gura No. 2. And the second campus, ITN 2, covered 35 hectares, located in Highway Karanglo 2 km Malang.
Welcome to Institute Teknologi Nasional Malang. My name is Awan Uji Krismanto, PhD. I'm a president of Institute Teknologi Nasional Malang. Institute Teknologi Nasional Malang is one of the reputable university in Indonesia, especially in science and engineering technology. We have many centers of excellence such as renewable energy, artificial intelligence, and sustainable, and also the green technology. We are welcoming you to join us to be a part of Institute Teknologi Nasional Malang. Together, we will develop green and sustainable technology for Indonesia and the world.
Our vision to be a world-class university by 2035 that contributes to the development of sustainable science and green technology. And our mission is to implementing the three dharma of higher education in the field of science and technology with international standards and creating human resources with national character. National Institute of Technology Malang has 2 faculties and postgraduate with various study programs, including Faculty of Industrial Technology with graduate programs, Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering, Bachelor of Electrical Engineering, Bachelor of Informatics Engineering, Bachelor of Chemical Engineering, Bachelor of Industrial Engineering, Bachelor of Business Digital, and Diploma Program, Diploma of Mechanical Engineering, Diploma of Electrical Engineering. Faculty of Civil Engineering and Planning with graduate programs, Bachelor of Civil Engineering, Bachelor of Environmental Engineering, Bachelor of Architecture, Bachelor of Regional and City Planning, Bachelor of Geodesic Engineering. Postgraduate programs, Magister of Civil Engineering, Magister of Industrial Engineering, Magister of Electrical Engineering, Doctoral in Engineering Management. As the best private campus, ITN Malang also provides various facilities to support student activities such as meeting building or hall, for amphitheater rooms, 2 basketball courts, 1 football field, 80 classrooms, 64 laboratory and studio, central library, library in each programs, mosque, church, temple, solar power plant, student dormitory, and internet with speed 1 Gbps. Becoming the institution with the largest number of enthusiasts makes ITN Malang continue to prove with various student achievements, both academic and non-academic achievements. ITN Malang continues to provide the best service as a form of responsibility for student welfare. ITN Malang Polyclinic at Campus 1 and Campus 2, psychological services for students, scholarship program, tuition assistance scholarship, excellence scholarship, and alumni scholarship, work competency certificate.
I'm Maan. I graduated from ITN Malang on 2018. As an alumni, I could say that my time at this institution has been transformative. ITN Malang not only provide technical skill, but also helped me to increase my critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. And I'm proud to be an alumni of ITN Malang.
As an excellent campus, ITN Malang continues to prepare competent graduates to overcome real-world challenges. ITN Malang also cooperated with various stakeholders to ensure that the curriculum presented is relevant to current and future job which market needs. Let's join us and be part of the largest multicultural campus that prioritizes on technology. Only on Institute of Technology Malang, inspiring your future.